Okay, so I'm going to move myself over here so I'll show you what this one is. So start a video call. So what this is very simple. If I clicked this, what would happen here would be exactly what would happen here. See that? Add a video meeting, right? So let's say we started a video call right now. It would be calling me, calling info at BizCrown Media, but leave a call. Let's just leave that right there, right? So this would be once you just say start a video call without having to send it here for that person to join the meeting. This just automatically starts the video call with this person. So as you can see, now if your call is missed, as you can see, it also shows it here. That's a cool thing about the history. See, call missed. So you're not losing out on anything for saying the call is missed. And you can add a reaction to it. You can quote and reply. You can mark as on read, and you have more actions that you could do over here. That doesn't seem to be working right now, but let's see. Wow, that doesn't seem to be working. So you could do your emojis. You can add your reply over there. Call missed. Sorry, I missed. Sorry, I missed. And you could reply to that too. As simple as that. Missed. And see how it shows. Call missed. So that's how. Now let's see if we click these. Okay, now look at that. Mark is on red. Forward to inbox. Or you could add to your tasks over here. Add to your task, whatever task you want to add it to. And stuff. So over here. Let's go over here. I'm going to move myself up here so you can see this even better. Okay, so add your GIFs, all that stuff. Okay, let's go back here. And then quote and reply. Mark is on red again. And more actions for the inbox. Okay, so it worked this time. Okay, so now you could see how you could do that. Now, if you wanted to search in this chat, let's say you were talking about something and you wanted to search in the chat for it. Excuse me, you would click the search and you'll be able to find it out, or be able to search it out is what I should say in this chat. So if you're searching for a word and stuff, you should be able to do that. So if we say hello, see what happens. Yep, as you can see, hello again. It then comes out this way. You see that? And then once you click that, see where it takes you. It takes you right back into that interface. I got to move myself out of the way here. I hope I'm not really in there. So as you can see, this then, your panel, whatever you're searching for here, goes here. It gets highlighted sort of like an email, and then you can click it and it takes you right there. That's pretty cool. So if I was searching for a message maybe from 50 days ago and it's still in the history and I remember a word, well, guess what? I search it and it should highlight that, which should just make life a lot easier. Exit full screen. Okay. If you want to exit full screen, that's what it does. So I'm going to move over here. Okay. So as you can see, I clicked that when I said exit full screen, and that's what it did. If you want to open the chat back in the full screen, we will do this. Okay. Now, as you can see here, we're back to the full chat. Okay. And if we do this again, back to the little chat.